Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL WP36, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the screen recording toggle, which should be on one of the pages. Oh, there we go. So it's right here. Once you see this toggle, you can simply tap on it. It will bring up this window letting you choose what kind of audio you can record. We have a drop down for device, microphone, or both. And then if you obviously want to record any of them, make sure that this is toggled on. Or if it's off, obviously it's not going to record any audio, no matter what's selected here. And below that we have show touches on screen, which will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. I will enable this just so you can see how that looks like on the recording. It begins a 3-second countdown and then starts recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device, though there is some limitations to this. And once you're done recording, pull down your notifications and click right here to stop. Now, going back to that limitations, there are certain applications that have the ability to block screen recorders, and this is primarily done by Android to give the user privacy and security. But it's being used by shitty applications like Netflix that you have never granted this permission to, and it's just doing it all on its whim without respecting your privacy or security, considering you haven't agreed to the terms of use because you haven't logged into this shitty application. But it can still block any kind of screen recorder. And the way you can figure that out is when you try to play back your screen recording, which you can find under the Photos application, which is not in here. Let's try to quickly find that. Oh, there we go. Okay, I guess it's in Russian, but yeah, that's basically Photos. So here you can navigate to Library, and under Movies you will find your screen recording. Now, if your screen recording presents you, when you open up an application with a fully black screen that you cannot see anything on, just know that whatever you're trying to record basically uses that security thing that I mentioned before. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.